Take a ride in the 2014 XV Crosstrek. This all-new four-wheel drive crossover by Subaru fills that spot for a vehicle with true outdoor capabilities, which is comfortably home driving to soccer practice too. The all-wheel drive XV Crosstrek pulls in the best parts of the award-winning Impreza and adds the details to give this crossover a bit of style among a sea of boring. And since it's a Subaru, you know the XV Crosstrek is built to last and is priced below $20,000. This vehicle has less than 45,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: all-wheel drive, keyless entry, backup camera, navigation system, Bluetooth, power steering, driver airbag, adjustable steering wheel, front floor mats, aluminum wheels. Come see the car for yourself.
Subaru CPO vehicles have no secrets. You'd never have to wonder about vehicle history, reliability, and durability. Qualifying vehicles have passed through a stringent process determined by Subaru of America. When shopping for a pre-owned Subaru, the best place to look is your Subaru dealer.